you guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome to Squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'd love for you to be part of the family. So today, you guys, I have seafood and pasta. I have crab legs and shrimp with my lemon. Yummy. And I also have a side of teriyaki sauce. I have my special lemon buttery sauce as well. So you know it's going to go down. I haven't ate all day and I'm ready to eat. Hopefully you guys like my new look. And let's dig in. Let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen. Amen. Oh yeah. Let's get it, you guys. I miss this sauce so much. Every time I taste it, it's so good, you guys. Got my pasta. Mm. I've been waiting to eat this all day. Hopefully you guys had a great day. It was awesome. Show y'all my crab legs. And these crab legs come with like, let me see, 5 legs. And I also have some Coca-Cola to drink. Can't forget that. This is so good. Baby, you got to be careful with these too, because like I cut my finger. To the white meat. This is so good. I got to be careful, honey, because I be going in. This is so good. And if you don't like loud smacking, burping, eating loud noises, this is not the channel for you. And I do understand. This is so freaking good. Mm, 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 mm. 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 You guys, this seafood is so good. Mm. And this pasta with it is so good. Mm. 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 You guys, today was crazy, but I made it through. Like, you never know what you're gonna go through day to day. You just really don't know. Mm. You really don't know. Like, you just gotta ask the Lord to take you through, honey. Mm. 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 This shrimp is so good. Mm. 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 Yes. Look at that. And like, I love all my support, all my subbies, because you guys really look forward to me coming on here eating, you know? Some people can't eat, or they want to eat, but you know they have other issues. So that's why I love to come over here and eat. And some people just like for me to eat with me, and I love that. I gotta make sure I get all the meat out of there. Always no seafood at all. I don't waste no seafood. Mm. 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 You guys. Mm. 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 It's so good. Mm. 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 Yes. Mm. It's so good. Like, you guys, I'm over here trying to talk to you guys, but whew, this sauce, I can't get that. Told you I ain't wasting no meat. I'll come back to that later. Shoot. I don't like the skinny part, y'all. Like, this is so delicious. Look at that. Look at the claws on that. I wanted y'all to be able to see it. Oh, goodness. Oh, this one is already cracked. Yes. And also, you guys, what are you guys doing for this summer? If you have anything planned, let me know. Take a bite. I forgot to share. I always usually let y'all take the first bite, but I was so hungry. I was so hungry. Look at that. You guys, this is so freaking good. Whew. Shout out to all my new subbies and my old subbies that never left me. You guys are awesome, and I love you guys so much. You just don't understand. These crab legs are so freaking good. Don't never waste that. You guys. So good. It's so good. Put it in the sauce. Ooh. I'm trying to tell you, honey, this is so freaking delicious. This year, you guys, has been a crazy year so far. But I have been riding it out. Look at that. Praise God. But I've been wanting this all day, you guys. Ooh, yes. It was well worth it. This was so freaking good. Oh, goodness. So I got a challenge that I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know if I'm ready for this one. This one is like super crazy. But you guys will see it really, really soon. And hopefully I'll make it through. Because this one is a killer. Got my Coca-Cola. You know what's going down. Them crab legs was on the freaking money. I still haven't got this one yet. That piece. I'm gonna get to it. Oh, did the seafood make me burp? That means I'm good and full. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Coca-Cola's so good. Excuse me. Whew. Bless it. Bless it. All this meat. All this meat in here. This like the best part. This is the best part. I'm getting all this meat out. I don't let none of it go. Cause it's mine. It's mine. You guys, I'm ready for the summer. I'm ready for the summer already. I am super ready. And I'm super full. You guys don't understand. I am so full. I don't know if it's because I didn't eat all day. Whew. So I told y'all last time to let me know what type of seafood do y'all like. What type of fish do you like and what type of fish you don't like? Because I told y'all what type of fish I don't like and the one I do like. I just want to know. Ooh. I'm super full. Woo. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Yes, you guys, and there you have it. I ate good, I burped good, and I am super happy that you guys came to me and y'all ate with me and you guys watched me. I love you guys so much. I love all my subbies and I love you guys. Until next time, bye. Mwah, mwah, bye. Love you.